welcome to biology class. This is the next video of in this series. The chapter is heredity and evolution. Student, as we discussed earlier, Mendel select pea plant for his study. He select the pea plant for his study, and pea plant have a 7 number of chromosome, and Mendel studied the 7 contrasting character. And now question is, what is Mendel's experimental techniques? मेंडल ने जितने भी एक्सपेरिमेंट किए गार्डन पी के ऊपर, उसके लिए कौन सी टेक्निक उन्होंने अप्लाई की? मेंडल्स आर बेसिकली मैथमेटिशियंस एंड हिज टेक्निक इज, फर्स्टली he select the pure pea plant, and second, then hybridization of the pure plant, self pollination in hybrid. Try to understand all these one by one. Selection of pure plant. First of all, बेटा हम एक एग्जाम्पल देते हैं, उससे हम ये तीनों स्टेप को अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. फर्स्टली मेंडल सेलेक्ट द पेरेंट्स. मेंडल ने जिस भी प्लांट पे, जैसे गार्डन पी को वो स्टडी कर रहे थे, फर्स्टली ही सिलेक्ट द प्योर प्लांट. प्योर मीन्स ही टेक द प्योर टॉल प्लांट, एंड प्योर टॉल प्लांट, दैट इज द character. Tallness is the character which is controlled by the gene capital T. And another parent, he select the pure dwarf. And pure dwarfness is the character which is controlled by small t. This is the genotype. Capital T is the genotype of the parent, one parent, and small t is the genotype of the dwarf parent. And अब देखो यहाँ पर होगा क्या? They form the gametes and they also form the gametes. Gametes are the sex cell and which are haploid in nature. ये हम ऑलरेडी रिप्रोडक्शन जो चैप्टर था उसमें रिप्रोडक्शन या ऑर्गेनिज्म वाले चैप्टर में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. अब देखो यहाँ पर क्या होगा बेटा? These capital T and capital T are the gene which control the tallness character of that parent. When this parent form the gamete are the haploid. One T is come in one gamete, another T is transferred to the another gametes. यहाँ पर भी जो gametes बनेंगे, one T is formed the this and other T is this. These are the gamete of the dwarf parent. These are the gamete of the tall parent. We can write the gametes here. After that, second step, hybridization of the pure plant. When these pure parent from the gamete, they hybridized. What do you mean by the hybridization? Hybridization means crossing or mating between these two. And they cross these two type of gametes. When this gamete is crossed with this gamete is crossed with this, the offspring is formed with genotype capital T, small t. When this gamete is crossed with this, again the genotype of this offspring is the capital T, small t. Here, when this gamete is crossed with this gamete, they will be fused with each other. The genotype is the capital T, small t. And when this gamete is fused with this gamete, again capital T, small t. See here, these are the offspring. These are the offspring, and genotype of this offspring capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. And this is the genotype. Phenotypically, all these are the hybrid. All these offspring are the tall. This is also tall, 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 and tall. And this generation is known as F1 generation, फर्स्ट फिलियल जनरेशन. क्या कहा इस जनरेशन को? ये जो ऑफस्प्रिंग की ये जनरेशन आई, दिस इज नोन एज F1 जनरेशन. दिस इज नोन एज F1 generation. And from this cross we can understand firstly these two steps. Firstly, he select the pure plants and then cross these two pure plants, and after crossing the first generation will become, that is known as the F1 generation, and all the hybrid, all the offspring of this generation are the tall. All these are the tall. And यहां से एक चीज जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है जो आप समझ सकते हैं, this cross is only between the single character. Only single character यहां पर लिया गया उन पेरेंट का, that is the tallness. And Mendel's experiment which we were dealing with the single character is known as monohybrid cross. Question is, what is monohybrid cross? What is monohybrid cross? Monohybrid cross. So what is monohybrid cross? We can write a cross or experiment. Okay, we can say Mendel experiment dealing with single Mendel experiment dealing with the single character. Is known as monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. And this is the monohybrid cross. The monohybrid cross, let's revise once again. These are the pure tall parent and pure dwarf parents. They form the gamete and they also form the gamete. And these gametes hybridized, or we can say they fuse with each other and form the first generation, that is known as the F1 generation. And these are the genotype of this F1 generation. One is a capital T, other is a small t. And phenotypically, these hybrid which will be obtained in F1 generation are the hybrid tall. So what is the result? All are hybrid tall. All are hybrid tall. And what is the next step of the Mendel experiment? First one is the selection, which will be done here. Second one is the hybridization, and this is the hybridization. And after the hybridization, offspring of this generation is the first generation, F1 generation. And now the self-pollination of the hybrid. These hybrid get self-pollinated and we obtain the F2 generation. Then the first one is the phenotype of these are the hybrid tall. All are the hybrid tall, and the genotype is the capital T, small t. Capital T, small t. Okay? These are the genotype. Now, they also form the gamete. The gamete is, one is the capital T, other one is the small t. Here also the gamete is, one is the capital T, other one is the small t. These are the gametes here. and when this capital T fuse with this gamete, and the offspring is both are the capital T, and this is the tau, pure tau. Here, when this gamete is fused with again this, that will be from the capital T and small t. This is hybrid tau. This is the pure tau. This is the hybrid tau. Next, when this gamete is fused with this, that will form the small t, and when this gamete is fused with this, that will be form the capital T, small t. So this is a pure dwarf, and this is a hybrid tau, and this generation is known as F2 generation. This generation is known as F2 generation. And the ratio of F2 generation, ratio is 3 is tall, this is tall, this is tall, and this is tall. 3 is tall and 1 is dwarf. The ratio is 3:1. So this is the F2 generation of monohybrid cross, and here the result of monohybrid cross in F1 generation, all are the tall, but result after in F2 generation is the 3 are the tall, 1 is the dwarf. तो क्वेश्चन यहां से बहुत सारे आपके दिमाग में आएंगे कि why are all these tall, जबकि इनमें एक जीन जो है dwarf कैरेक्टर की भी है, और why are these tall and one dwarf come here. तो यहां से जो है मेन जो लॉज दिए थे मेंडल्स की, उनको हम स्टडी करना स्टार्ट करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस